key lime pie, but mini size. Hey guys, it's Jocelyn Delk Adams here, aka Grand Baby Cakes, and the author of the new cookbook, Everyday Grand. And I am here to show you one of my favorite classic desserts, key lime pie, but mini size. So instead of the traditional graham cracker crust, I'm actually going to use store-bought sugar cookie dough. Pretty fantastic if you ask me. So to begin, I'm going to take each of my little individual sugar cookie squares and I'm going to roll them into a ball and add them directly into my mini muffin pan. All right, so these are ready to go in the oven at 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes. So our cookie cups are out of the oven, fresh and hot and ready to go. Now I'm going to show you exactly how we create our crust. I like to take a tiny spoon and make indents right into the cookie. So you just want to press down around the corners so you'll have some space for the filling once these cool. I'm gonna pop these right back in the oven for about 3 to 5 minutes just to make sure that they get super golden. So now let's get started on our super easy key lime filling. I've got some key lime juice and I'm gonna add this directly into my pot. And then I've got some sweetened condensed milk. You gotta have that for a great key lime pie. Next, I'm gonna add in 3 egg yolks, and this is gonna make it super rich and creamy. Finally, some vanilla extract. Now I'm gonna whisk it all together until it's combined and then add this over a medium-low heat for about 12 minutes. We wanna make sure that those eggs are heated through. Once your filling is done cooking, we wanna let this cool all the way back to room temperature. Now my cookie cups are completely cooled and my filling is cooled now too. So it's time to fill them up. I want to start by adding this to a piping bag, but if you don't have one, you can just grab a plastic bag and just snip the bottom off and this will work perfectly. And I'm just going to add a tiny bit to each of my cups. And now I'm going to garnish each of them with some fresh whipped cream. Finally, a little sprinkle of some lime zest. There you have it. Here are my completed mini-size key lime pies made with our little cute cookie cups. This is such a great twist on the classic, and you actually might like these more. Let me give this baby a taste. So good, y'all. It all comes together just magically. I know you want to have one of these. Thank you so much, Rachael, for having me.